In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add printer manually to Chromebook. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a specific printer and you would like to attach it to your Chromebook, follow these instructions and you will be able to either find it automatically or manually input the necessary details to add it to your Chromebook. So first, make sure that the printer is on and properly set up. Now, go into the settings of your Chromebook. In the settings, you have to go down to the Advanced tab. This is where you will be able to find options related to printers. So open the settings, you can click on the date and time at the bottom right, and then go into the settings icon and then access the Advanced tab, where you will see printers. Once you click on printers, you will find a list of all of the printers that are nearby. So if you have a printer on the same Wi-Fi network as your Chromebook, usually it is going to be automatically detected and it is going to appear over here. So all that you would have to do in that scenario is to click the option to save at the right side of the screen. So the printer appears if both the Chromebook and the printer are on the same Wi-Fi network, and you choose the option to save. With this done, it is now going to be used as a default printer whenever you choose to print documents and use any of the other features. Alternatively, if you want to add it manually, click this option here. So this little icon of a printer with a plus sign will allow you to manually add your printer. So you will have to include plenty of details. Give it a name, enter the address, protocol, and then queue. Sadly, for a video of this nature, I cannot give you full instructions on how to locate the printer using these parameters, but usually included in the manual of your printer, you will get instructions on how to do this. And of course, the Chromebook will be able to locate and link itself to the printer, which will then be used for any features that you need. So either see if it appears on the list automatically, or if you want to do it manually, you have to use this feature here. I hope I was able to help you on how to add printer manually to Chromebook. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.